Hello and welcome. This is Amanda, the Nerdy Crafter, and I am here today again with my Paper Stash Smash collab projects. And last week I worked on my 3D cut files, which were yoga and friends themes. You can go back and watch that video. I was able to finish 13 of those. They're great little projects that I'm putting together for birthdays and Christmas for next year. So you got to plan early when you're a crafter. And today I'm going through, and this was a project that was put together at a craft retreat that I attended, goodness, probably 2 or 3 years ago now, and it was a Wizard of Oz theme event. And we had these beautiful cards, Glinda, and now that Wicked is back in all the rage right now, I decided to go through and pull out all the leftovers I had, and I have 8 of them, and put them together and get those cards smashed from my stash. So we've got 8 cards that we're putting together with this. And this project, this Smash Your Stash, is hosted by Debbie at Project 39 Mini Albums and Karolina from Karolina Crafts. I will post their information in the description box below. And this printable is available from the Ko-fi shop for Party Planner Papery. She is the one, I've been watching all of these ladies for probably 3 years now. I tried to join them back in 2022. But I was only able to do a few months, so fingers crossed this year I will be able to follow along. I love the layout, so every quarter they have a free choice for 1 month, 12 by 12 paper pad collection sheets, and then non 12 by 12 paper pad collection sheets. So that's like your 6 by 6, your 6 by 8, all that kind of stuff. So I love free choice for the beginning of the year just to get some stuff off and projects completed. So that's what I'm working on today. For the card bases, I got this set from one of my local scrapbook stores. It's from Paper Accents. It's cards and envelopes, and it comes in this cute little crate. Let me see if I can get it into the video here. So it's this gorgeous little crate, and it comes with all these different colors. The first one I bought was white, and I absolutely loved it, but I haven't been able to catch that one back in stock, so I went ahead and grabbed the colored one to get me by. And so for this project, I pulled in the purple, so I got the envelopes and the card bases. And I'm just going to go through and get these projects put together as quickly as possible. So I'm just going to put this on a faster speed so you can follow along and watch as I finish up these projects. And I'll check back with you at the end. All right, welcome back. So I thought that I had recorded putting the rest of my cards together, but apparently at some point I accidentally paused the recording. So I don't have the full video of me putting all of these cards together. I did bring in my Pear Blossom Press rulers to help line up the different pages. Each of these, so there's zero centering ruler, and then they have these jigs in them to help center the papers in. I absolutely love these. I generally am team eyeball, but since these rulers came out, I use them all of the time. So I highly recommend them if you have not seen them before. I'll do a separate video where I can show you how they work. They are my absolute favorite. They're a must-have in my craft room, and I've bought many for gifts. So I'm just going to flip through these 8 cards that I did really quick so you can see I did bring in some embellishments because, again, trying to smash my stash, get rid of some of my embellishments. I did finish off these ones, and the silver, the pearl ones, I still have some left on, so hopefully we can use those up through the month. But those are my 8 Wizard of Oz / Wicked themed cards. It says, "You've always had the power, my dear. You just had to learn it for yourself." So remember, we each have the power. We just have to believe in ourselves, and we can do anything we put our mind to. So thank you so much for joining me. I'm so excited to be on this Smash My Stash journey over the next year. And this month is my UFO unfinished objects that I'm going to be smashing. Take care, and I will see you later.